In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce inode usage on Hostinger hPanel. If your website is showing inode warnings or you're close to hitting your plan's limit, this walkthrough will help you clean things up safely and efficiently. First, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel. Head to Resource Usage. Here you'll find your inode count, which represents how many individual files and folders your account is storing. Each image, log entry, cache file, and plugin folder consumes at least one inode. If you reach the limit, you may not be able to upload new files or update your site, so this check is important. Next, review which areas are using the most inode space. Open File Manager from hPanel to get a sense of where file counts are highest. Common hotspots include the WP Content Uploads folder for WordPress sites, cache directories created by performance plugins, and backup folders. You don't need exact per folder inode counts to make progress. Just identify directories with large numbers of small files or lots of dated content. Now delete unnecessary files. Start with old backups. Keep the most recent backup and remove the rest, especially any stored on the same hosting account. Clear cache files generated by caching or optimization tools. Most of these can be safely rebuilt by your site. Remove outdated or oversized log files that have accumulated over time. In your Uploads folder, look for unused media or mistakenly duplicated images. If you're unsure, download a copy to your computer first, then delete from the server. Aim to remove what you know you no longer need while preserving anything currently in use. If you use WordPress, remove unused plugins, themes, or old website copies. Deactivating a plugin doesn't free inodes. Delete it completely from the plugins page. Do the same with themes you're not using, keeping just your active theme and perhaps one default theme as a fallback. If you have staging or test copies of your site that you no longer need, remove those folders to reclaim a large number of inodes at once. Finally, go back to Resource Usage in hPanel and check your inode usage again. Refresh the page after a minute or two to let the system update. You should see the total count decrease, confirming your cleanup worked. If you're still near the limit, repeat the review and remove more unneeded files until you're comfortably below your plan's threshold. That's it. With regular checks and occasional cleanups, you'll keep inode usage under control and your site running smoothly.